हेलो एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। आई होप आपकी एचपी टेट की प्रिपरेशन ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट होगी। अगर आपकी एचपी टेट की प्रिपरेशन कंप्लीट हो गई है तो आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मॉक टेस्ट अटैम्प्ट कीजिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एमसीक्यूज़ की प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, क्योंकि जब तक आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तब तक आप अच्छे से अपने एग्ज़ाम को अटैम्प्ट नहीं कर पाओगे। तो चलिए आज की क्लास स्टार्ट करते हैं। हम ऑलमोस्ट 200 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट करेंगे जब तक आपका एचपी टेट का एग्ज़ाम नहीं हो जाता, और ये सभी क्वेश्चंस बायोलॉजी के होंगे। तो आप ये क्वेश्चंस देख सकते हो, और इन क्वेश्चंस का लेवल आपका एचपी टेट के लेवल का ही है कि एचपी टेट में किस लेवल तक के क्वेश्चंस आपसे पूछ लिए जाते हैं, क्योंकि एचपी टेट में ओनली आपसे जो बेसिक्स हैं, बायोलॉजी के बेसिक से ही आपके क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं, और ज़्यादा हार्ड पेपर एचपी टेट का नहीं आता है, बहुत इजी पेपर आता है। अगर आपने अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन किया होगा, आपके बेसिक्स क्लियर होंगे बायोलॉजी के, तो आप एचपी टेट के एग्ज़ाम को इजीली क्वालिफाई कर पाओगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। ये हमारी 7th क्लास है और इसमें हम 30 क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, और इससे पहले भी हमने 6 क्लास कर ली हैं। 6 क्लासेस हमारी कंप्लीट हैं, जिन सभी क्लासेस में हमने 30 क्वेश्चंस किए हैं। तो आप वो जा करके क्लासेस देख लें। तो चलिए अब स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज द इन विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग ऑर्गन वोमेन्स कैप्सूल इज फाउंड। Options are liver, kidney, heart and small intestine, and the correct answer is the option number B, kidney. किडनी में ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं जिसको नेफ्रॉन कहा जाता है। नेफ्रॉन स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट होती है किडनी की। ये कप शेप्ड किडनी में एक कप शेप्ड अपर एंड में कप शेप्ड एक स्ट्रक्चर प्रेजेंट होता है जिसको बोमेंस कैप्सूल कहा जाता है, जिसमें नेट कैपिलरीज का नेटवर्क होता है, और इस कैपिलरी के नेटवर्क्स को ग्लोमेरुलस कहा जाता है। ग्लोमेरुलस एक कैपिलरीज का गुच्छा फॉर्म करते हैं जो ब्लड के थ्रू वेस्ट और जो एक्सेस ऑफ वाटर होता है वो किडनी तक पहुंच जाते हैं। देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द विच हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द फादर ऑफ इंडियन इकोलॉजी। इनमें से किसे इंडियन इकोलॉजी का फादर कंसिडर किया जाता है। ऑप्शंस आर रामदेव मिश्रा, शिवराम कश्यप, पार्थसारथी, लिंगर एंड नन ऑफ दिस, एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज द ऑप्शन नंबर ए, रामदेव Mishra is considered to be the father of Indian ecology. Then next question is the corpus luteum is the source of secretion of. Options are luteinizing hormone, estradiol, estrogen and progesterone, and the correct answer is the option number D, progesterone. The corpus luteum is the source of secretion of progesterone. Then next question is the incomplete dominance. Options are phenotype of both alleles is expressed, phenotype of only one allele is expressed, phenotype of neither of the alleles are expressed, phenotype of both alleles is partially expressed, and the correct answer is the option number D, phenotype of both alleles is partially expressed. Then next question is the mature females lays eggs and birds develop with the formation of 4 embryonic membranes known as. Options are chorion, amnion, allantois and all of the above, and the correct answer is the option number D, all of the above. Then next question is the which of the following is the largest group of mammal. Then options are Rudentia, Chiroptera, Carnivora and Insectivora, and the correct answer is the option number A, Rudentia. Rodentia is the largest group of mammals. Then question number 7 is the reflex actions that involves the brain are called which of the following. Options are stimulus, cerebral reflexes, spinal reflexes and reflex arc, and the correct answer is the option number B, cerebral reflexes. Then next question is the which of the following are bacterial diseases in humans. Options are pulmonary tuberculosis, cholera, leprosy and all of the above, and the correct answer is the option number D, all of the above. All are bacterial diseases in humans. Then next question is the a nitrogen fixing bacterium that forms loose associations with the root of crop plants is. Options are Azotobacter, Bacillus polymixa, Clostridium and Azospirillum, and the correct answer is the option number D, Azospirillum. Then next question is the blue-green algae are. Options are symbiotic nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria, free-living nitrogen fixing bacteria, loose association of nitrogen fixing bacteria, symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria, and the correct answer is the option number A, blue-green algae are symbiotic nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria. Then next question is the which vein brings clean blood from the lungs into the heart? Options are vena cava, pulmonary vein, hepatic vein, renal vein, and the correct answer is the option number B, pulmonary vein brings clean blood from the lungs into the heart. Then next question is the which of the digestive organs contains acid? And options are stomach, colon, small intestine, and appendix, and the correct answer is the option number A, stomach. Stomach contains the acids. Then next question is the biological decomposition of organic substances in waste under controlled conditions known as. Options are incineration, pyrolysis, composting, and sanitary landfill, and the correct answer is the option number C. Option number C is the correct answer. Composting is the correct answer. The next question is the which of the following tissues are responsible for the secondary growth of plants? Options are cortex, xylem, cambium, and phloem, and the correct answer is the option number C. Cambium is the correct answer. The next question is the water which is suitable for drinking is called. Options are potable water, sanitary water, hygienic water, sparkling water, and the correct answer is the option number A. Water which is suitable for drinking is called potable water. The next question is the which of the following is not an example of an amphibian? Then options are seahorse, alligator, frog, and toad, and the correct answer is the option number A, seahorse. Seahorse is a small marine fish. Small marine fish. Then next question is the alveoli are balloons like structures within the options are heart, lungs, liver, and kidney, and the correct answer is the option number B, lungs. Alveoli are balloon like structures within the lungs. Then next question is the marble cancer occurs due to. Options are acid rain, radioactivity, global warming, and bacterial action, and the correct answer is the option number A, acid rain. Then next question is the which part of the human body gets affected by the illness called osteoporosis? Options are bones, lungs, kidney, and brain, and the correct answer is the option number A, bones. Bones is the correct answer. And then next question is the increased RBCs in the blood leads to a condition called. Options are anemia, hemophilia, leukemia, and polycythemia, and the correct answer is the option number A, polycythemia. Increased RBCs in the blood leads to a condition called polycythemia, and it is a PYQ previous year में ये question पूछा गया है. Then next question is the newly hatched tadpole breathes through its. Options are lungs, internal gills, external gills, and all of the above, and the correct answer is the option number C, external gills. The newly hatched tadpole breathes through its external gills. The next question is the which of the following is the smallest bird in the world? Options are hummingbird, robin, finch, and diamond firetail, and the correct answer is the option number A, hummingbird. Smallest bird in the world is the hummingbird. Then next question is the which of the following is in Monera group? Options are mushrooms, yeast, bacteria, and moss, and the correct answer is the option number C, bacteria. Then next question is the bryophyllum can be propagated vegetatively by options are stem, leaf, root, and flower, and the correct answer is the option number B, bryophyllum can be propagated vegetatively by the leaf. Then next question is the what is the shortest phase of the cell cycle? Options are M phase, G1 phase, S phase, and G2 phase, and the correct answer is the option number A, M phase. और जितने भी ये फेजेस हैं इनके जो फंक्शंस हैं वहाँ से 1 मार्क का क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, तो इनके फंक्शंस आप ठीक से देख लें. Then next question is the maximum fixation of solar energy is done by. Options are fungi, protozoa, bacteria, and green plants, and the correct answer is the option number D, green plants. Then next question is the vessels are the major water conducting cells in. Options are fungi, angiosperms, bryophyta, and thallophyta, and the correct answer is the option number B, angiosperm. Vessels are the major water conducting cells in angiosperm. Then next question is the major fructose sources include. Options are fruit juices, corn syrup, honey and all of the above? And the correct answer is the option number D. Major fructose sources include all of the above: fruit juices, corn syrup, and honey. These all are major fructose sources. Then next one is the shedding of leaves and fruits is due to the presence of hormone named. Options are indole acetic acid, naphthalene acetic acid, gibberellins, and abscisic acid. And the correct answer is the option number D, abscisic acid. Then next question is the which of the following disease is not transmitted from one person to another? Options are syphilis, hepatitis B, AIDS, and cirrhosis. And the correct answer is the option number D. Cirrhosis is the disease which is not transmitted from one person to another. ये 30 क्वेश्चंस थे जो जिनमें से मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन आपके प्रीवियस ईयर में पूछे गए हैं। तो आप ये क्वेश्चंस ठीक से देख लें, इनकी प्रैक्टिस कर लें, क्योंकि आपके लिए प्रैक्टिस बहुत ज़रूरी है। आज के लिए बस इतने ही क्वेश्चन थे। अब हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है नेक्स्ट 30 क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे। एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। बाय बाय, टेक केयर।